How to add voice memos shortcut to iPhone Control Center. First is by opening your Settings app and then scroll down and look for Control Center below General right here. Click on Control Center, scroll down until you can see More Controls, and look for Voice Memos right here. Click on the plus button found on the leftmost part of Voice Memos, and then you may be able to see that it has been added into your controls. So go to your control center and then you may be able to see your voice memos right here. If you want to reorder the controls, simply press and hold into this three lines right here and drag it to whichever order you want. So whenever you drag it, go back to your control center and it has been reordered right here. So that's how you can add voice memo shortcut to iPhone Control Center.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.